Lance.
Lance, kita mo yun, ha? Kumuha pa siya ng pang-connect sa kanyang gitara. Kaya wala pa kayo makamay, nag-airport para mag-perform dito sa Landos Bar and Grill. Ito lang lagi. Pinakamaganda dito, parang nasa bahay ka lang. Ini-enjoy lang natin yung gabi. Nag-iba lang yung atmosphere, parang tayo nasa mga sinaunang panahon. Kubo, mag-relax ka, pag may problema na konti, dito tayo pumunta sa Landos Bar and Grill. Mag-relax kayo dito. Tama, ma'am? Tama po. Relax lang natin. Parang tayo nasa bahay. Muli po, ito na. Okay na po, sir? Sir Lance? Okay na po? Okay. Wala ba akong kamay kay Sir Lance? Yeah.
Hello. Going back to the corner where I saw you. Gonna keep in my sleeping bags, not gonna move. Got some words on cardboard, got your picture in my head. Saying, if you see this girl, can you tell her where I am? Some try to hand me money, they don't understand. I'm not broke, I'm just a broken-hearted man. I know it makes no sense, what else can I do? How can I move on when I'm still in love with you? As if one day you wake up and find you're missing me, I start to wonder when all is said I could be. Thinking maybe you'll come back to the place that we meet. And you see me waiting for you on the corner of the street. So I'm not moving, I'm not moving, yeah. Policeman said, son, can't stay here. I said, someone I'm waiting for fits in a month, a year. Gotta stay on my ground, even if it rain or snow. She changes her mind, this is the first place you would go. Then you wake up, find that you're missing me. I start to wonder whose earth I could be. Can maybe you come back to the place that we meet? And you'll see me waiting for you on the corner of the street. So I'm not moving, I'm not moving, yeah. I'm not moving, I'm not moving. People talk about the guy who's waiting on the curb. There are no holes in the shoes, but big hole in this world. Maybe I'll get famous, some man who can't be home. Maybe you want me to see me on the news. You can run into the corner, cause you know it's just for you. I'm the man who can't be. I'm the man who can't be. So one day you wake up, find that you're missing me, and your heart starts to wonder where on earth I could be. Thinking maybe you come back into the place that we meet. And you see me waiting for you on the corner of the street. So I'm not moving, I'm not moving, yeah. I'm not moving, I'm not moving. Going back to the corner where I first saw you. Can't be lost in bed, so I'm gonna move. Thank you, folks.
More, sabay po. Panalo. Baka namin yan. Instagram mo.
Oh. Hello, hello, hello. Init. This is Good by Bamboo. Can't believe how you set me free. The way you purified this soul. Don't you know how you into my eyes? Now I never let you go. Finally home, so tell me what you want. I paid the price, but money I broke the dice. I lose it all. Take the phone, let it ride. As long as I have you around my side. Tell me what you want. I paid the price, but money I broke the dice. I lose it all. Take the phone, let it ride. As long as I have you around my side. Come to me. Wasn't sure I what I was getting into. If I wake up every morning with a smile on my face, or see life for what it is, one big virus. Go tell me what you want. I paid the price, what's money I broke it as I lose it all. Take the phone, let it ride. As long as I have you on my side. Go tell me what you want. Pay the price, it's money, because I lose it all. Take the phone, let it ride. As long as I have you around my side, I wait. Thinking I can get you off guard, it's gone another night. Did I take a happy turn? This boy's about to get burned. Before I go, I gotta know. I need a lesson, when he's really good. I hate what you do. Girl, tell me what you want. Girl, tell me what you want, what you want. Girl, tell me what you want, baby. Oh, girl, tell me what you want, what you want. Girl, tell me what you want. Now pay the price, it's money. Lose it all, take the phone, let it ride. As long as I have you around my side. Go tell me what you want. I pay the price, it's money I broke because I lose it all. Take the phone, let it ride. As long as I have you around my side. Oh, this feels so good when I first saw ya. Oh, child. Oh, it feels so good since I left.
Pwede daw sama.
Thank you po, thank you.
Kakanta rin, kakanta.
Tatlo na.
Yan, tatlo.
Hiking.
Sige, go. Yan, maganda rin. Tatlo.
Para masaya.
Mike. Ito na.
Kakaklase lang. Sure.
Ba't tayo? Hello.
Sir.
Shout out ha. Nandos.
No.
Dapat mas malayo na yung bulong. Ano malapit? Yan, okay na po. Yan, okay na po.
Kinukulang ang isipan, babalik sa nakaraan. Huwag mo nang balikan, patuloy ka lang sa nakakaisip sa isang magandang larawan. Paulit-ulit na pinabanggit ang pangalan ng kasanayan. Tayo ay pinagtagpo at hindi dinadana. Sadyang paglaro nitong mundo, kinalimutan kahit nahihirapan. Para sa sariling kapakanan, kinalimutan kahit nahihirapan. Mga oras na hindi na mababalikan, pinagtagpo at hindi dinadala sa dati na hindi sa isa't isa. Di na may babalik ang dating ating pagsasama. Tamis ng iyong halik ay di nadarama. Ang sa isa't isa ay di na mabuhay pa. Alam sa ating pag-ibig na minsan isa tayo ay pinagtagpo at hindi dinadala. Paglaro itong mundo, butan kahit nahihirapan. Para sa sariling kapakanan, kinalimutan kahit nahihirapan. Mga oras na hindi na mababalikan, pinagtagpo ngunit hindi dinadala. Puso natin ay hindi sa isa't isa. Ngunit hindi dinadala. Puso natin ay hindi sa isa't isa. Thank you.
Galing. Pero may isa pa. Ako kasi mas gusto kong kumanta yung acoustic. Ikaw ang aking mahal. Ano yan? Ikaw ang aking mahal. Pwede. Bago second voice mo ako. Okay lang? Ma'am, okay lang po. Sige po. Para mas, ang sarap kasi kumanta pag acoustic eh. Kaya, nasanay tayo, YouTube, pero yung live, mas maganda. aking itanong mo sa akin, sagot di magtatagal. Ikaw lang ang aking simula ulit. Practice lang yun eh. Testing lang. Ayun naman. Testing lang yun eh. Siyempre lagi sa una, testing. Ginagamay pa eh, siyempre. Itanong mo sa akin, gusto mo nga ang mahal. Itanong mo sa akin, sagot hindi magtatagal. Yan! Ikaw lang ang aking mahal, ang pag-ibig mo'y aking kailangan. Pag-ibig na walang hangganan, ang aking tunay na nararamdaman. Diretso na lang. Alam ko naman ba sa mga natin, isa lang ang ganda. Hello. Diretso lang. Sige, sige. Isa lang. Thank you, ma'am. Doon na tayo sa may sabon. At matatapos sa haba. Pag-ibig na walang hangganan, ang aking tunay na nararamdaman. Ano yung mas maganda yung ganyan eh?